In this video, we are going to explore how we can do a quick face retouch using the generative fill options in Firefly. So let's upload an image that we already worked on before. Every time, just make sure that you only upload the original photo. So this one is original photo. You can see, first of all, we need to remove this extra hairs showing all around her face. So we need to get rid of that. And also let's remove these glasses. Let's select the remove option and just start selecting the glasses. Just highlight the complete portion. It doesn't matter even if you select some more part. Click on remove and it should be able to retouch this part by removing the glasses. And here are different variants of it. You can see this one looks perfect. You won't be even able to identify if there were glasses on her head. So click on keep and we can download different versions as well while we are working on it. So let's click on download for this version. It's already downloaded in the background, but we need some further things to be done. So let's say we want to remove all of these extra hairs showing around her face. Let's remove those like so. Let's do it here as well. Okay, so I have edited all of these parts. I have highlighted this and just simply click on remove. So you can see how it has removed these. And if you see some kind of imperfections, you can try different variants of it, or otherwise you can click on more. So these are some more versions. Let's click on more. Okay, let's say that we want to keep this one. So let's click on keep, but as we can see that there are some changes or adjustments that needs to be done. So we will use further remove option in order to do that. Make the skin smoother on different parts. Here we can see some of the spots that we want to remove. Similarly here, click on remove after that and look at this. This is now perfect. Only on the forehead we need some further adjustments. So what you can do is just use the forehead. You can just reduce the hardness. You can increase the brush size and just select a larger area for this. Let me just select a larger area. Let's just try this. Click on remove and you can see the result. It's much better than the earlier one. So you can use any one of them. Let's say I want to use this one. As you can see, all the extra hair strands on her face is now completely removed. And let's click on keep and let's download this version as well. Now let's say that we want to change the lipstick. Let's select that. Sorry, we are in reset. So let's click on insert, just select that and let's write purple lipstick. Hit enter. And now we have the lipstick changed, but it doesn't look nice. So let's move to the original one. Let's click on reset. And something more we can try is let's try drawing a glasses around her eyes. So let's click on insert and let's just draw anything weird, and we can make any kind of glasses like that, just like so. And let's write stylish black sunglasses. Let's see if it is able to make it. And look at this, guys. It has perfectly drawn a glasses around her eyes and it has properly put the glasses, nothing weird. The eyebrows are showing, it has different versions of it. So whatever you like, you can keep it. So this one is nice, this one is good. Let's go with this one. Click on keep and click on download. Okay, so these are some different versions. Let's look at it once. This one was the original picture. As you can see, the hair strands around the face and also the glasses. The glasses we have already removed. So look how perfect it looks that we were not able to identify that she had a glasses on her head. Then we had version 2 where we have just removed the hair strands from the face. Next one, we put a glasses on. So all of these versions are perfectly retouched by Firefly. Let's try something complex now. As you can see the sample, here the original image looks like this. A face painting that we want to completely remove. Can we do that? Yes, we have already done that. Let me just show you the results first and then we will see how we can do that. Click on the previous one and look at this, guys. How perfectly it has completely removed the mask just by using a simple function. Let me just show you this, but just look at the details, how it has drawn the eyebrows, drawn the eyes, and completely retouched using this other part as a sample. So this one is the original and this one is the after. Let's go back, and for this kind of face retouch, again we will use generative fill. Click on upload image and let's select this image. Now guys, this one is the original image, so we want to just remove the face painting. So what we will do is we will just click on remove and just simply select that. Make sure you select every part of the painting, otherwise it will not properly remove that, and make sure the other part can be easily seen so that it can automatically redraw it based on other part. Let's click on remove. This time it doesn't look perfect. So it's not compulsory every time you will get perfect results. You have to try it multiple times until you get the right results. So maybe we want to make it short so that it doesn't change the face size. Let's try that. Okay, this time we haven't changed the face size. We haven't selected some more area. Let's try it again. Click on remove. So now we can see it is much better, but still this one needs some adjustment. We need to remove this, use the remove tool in order to make this correction, and you can keep this as well. We have different variants that we didn't check, but here the sample looks different, and here in this picture it looks like this. So I think this is much better than the earlier one. Let's try retouching this area as well. Click on remove and this is perfect. Now we can click on keep, click on download, and let's name this one as before and this one as after. Now let's compare. This one is before face retouch. By the way, you will find this file with the resources section of this video, and this one is the after, before and after. Obviously it's not perfect because it is a complex image, but it has done a pretty good job in redefining this picture. So you can use the same function. With a couple of tries, you will get excellent results with this generative fill option using for face retouch. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.